What are the benefits of using quantitative trading robots in Apocalypse? First of all, the quantitative trading robot can replace the manual. With the development of blockchain digital currency in recent years, having a set of AI quantitative trading software to help them conduct transactions is definitely the icing on the cake for friends who recognize digital currency as an investment market. As we all know, when investors face the situation of long and short sides, they often lose the direction of judgment. Otherwise, it will increase the leverage and gambling mentality, and then it will be blood transfusion to the end. And after the trading strategy is set, the contract trading robot will strictly implement the strategy for quantitative trading. When the market fluctuates, the robot will cover or close the position normally to achieve market liquidity. Moreover, by using quantitative trading robots, data errors in the face of big data aggregation analysis can be absolutely avoided, which will greatly reduce data errors caused by manual calculation or manual analysis of data. In order to achieve accurate data, it is necessary to understand that quantitative trading is based on accurate data analysis.